you're a content creator, I'm sure you or someone you know can relate to this. Being consistent is hard. As a mom, a wife, entrepreneur, just a regular everyday person, I struggle with being consistent when it comes to posting content, but I have a cheat code that I want to share with y'all. And if being consistent is not your issue, and maybe you're just having like a creative block and you don't know what to post, this can help you too. This is my cheat code. Let me show you what I mean. With the help of ChatGPT, I'm going to use Canva to create a month's worth of content in like 5 minutes, if that. It does not take long at all. For the tutorial, I'll be using like motivational quotes as an example, but you can use this method for like so many different things. To start, you'll prompt ChatGPT for 30 motivational quotes, and then you'll copy those quotes. You're going to paste them into an Excel sheet. Now, any edits that you want to make to these quotes or to whatever you use, I would recommend to go ahead and make those changes here, because it'll be easier to change it here than later. And so once you're done, you'll go ahead and save it. Now, when you save the file, make sure you save it as a CSV file. That'll be important later. Now that we have our quotes, we're going to head over to Canva. We're going to create a design. So you can either create a design on your own from scratch, or if you need some help, or if you don't feel like doing all of that, you can use one of the many options that Canva has to offer, and they're really nice. You know, up to you. But since we're doing motivational quotes, we're going to keep it cute, and we're going to choose this one. Once your design is ready to go, you know, you can edit it, put your little zhuzh on it, you know, make it like your vibe. So once you do that and the design is ready to go, you're going to click on bulk create, which is over here. Full disclosure, bulk create is a Canva Pro feature. Currently, I pay $15 a month for Canva Pro. It is so, y'all, when I tell you it's so worth it, it is so worth it. Trust me, if I'm out here spending money on something monthly, every month for 12 months, it's worth it. I promise you, bro. It's $50 to breathe, and I got kids. Like, I'm not out here just throwing money out here for any old reason. So I promise y'all it's worth it. Maybe one day in the future, you know, I might have like a little discount code for y'all. Moving on, you will upload the quotes from the Excel sheet to Canva, and then from there you're going to select where on the design you want the information to go. So if you have like multiple things that you're working with, you'll select different parts. But for this example, keeping it cute, keeping it short and simple, we're going to click right here because this is where we want the quote to go. And so after that, I mean, that's really it. So you could make like your last minute touches, anything you might want to fix or whatever, and then you'll click generate, and it's going to generate a month's worth of content for you to post. Now you can go through and customize each one, but that's really it. It's so simple and it's so easy, and it's really helpful, especially like if you need content like in between, like if you're a streamer like me and in between posting clips, maybe you don't stream that often or what have you. It's really helpful. So I really hope this helps you. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So